What's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from already know, bruh. It's the set. And today, bruh, like as promised, I had a pair of white SB Dunks. Gum bottom, black Nike check. I was wrestling with it, man. I really was because it was hard to come by those. But for some strange reason, bro, I cannot keep a pair of all white sneakers. I can't. Well, this one wasn't. It was majority white, right? Perfect size, perfect fit, bro. But like I said, I just couldn't resist throwing some paint on them, bro. So today, man, we're gonna bring to you a travesty in some eyes, or a work of art, or just a pair of shoes with some color on them. And we're gonna get into the joints right now. So with these, man, I knew it was gonna be a little different. I did. But at the same time, I was cool with that, 100%. Now I did freehand these, like, so just so you know. But that's the way to go. And here we go. Ooh. I know. It's not the standard super fat SB laces, but I felt like I needed to hurry up and get these things on foot, man, so I can like make my mind up whether I was really feeling them or not. Yeah, I know I did them, but I was just trying to see how the purple would look, how it would make the shoe pop. And again, I freehanded all of this. We went with a matte finish for the majority of the shoe, except the eyes here. And if you all know how Dexter looks, man, his glasses and the way his eyes were looking in the glasses was always pretty dang funny, because that, showed his irritation levels with Dee Dee when she was messing around with stuff in this laboratory, right? I know I'm nerding out, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. We all grew up watching cartoons, so let me be great. Don't let the gray hair fool you. I watch cartoons too. But yeah, so I went with a glossy finish for the eyes to replicate the glare from the glasses. I know it's crazy, but this is a crazy concept we also did here too. I felt like the black outlines needed to be there just because if you look at Dexter, the outlines are heavy in his caricature, right? But all cartoons have outlines, but in Dexter it was a little more prominent, so I felt like I needed to do that with this shoe. But I think they came out okay. Let me be honest. When I got finished with them, I was like, bruh, you done messed up a good pair of Dunks. Again, I don't care, but once I put them on feet, I was like, oh, them shits ain't bad. I actually like them. Now, I did order, these came in first. These laces came in first. And I didn't know that they weren't the right size, but I wanted to just put them in anyway. But I do have the proper size purple laces for these to come in that looks a lot more closer to the SB, style laces, the really, really fat oval laces that come in SB Dunks. So I don't know, man. Now, some people may watch this video and be like, bro, what the hell were you doing? You took a perfectly good pair of Nike SB Dunks and you threw some paint on them and ruined the shoe. To that, I would say, mind your business, I guess. But I guess I can't really say that because I'm putting it out in the universe. But whatever, man. All right, so hype is whatever. Resale prices are whatever, right? But I bought the shoe for $115. That's $10 more than a pair of Air Force Ones. And I put paint on Air Force Ones all day long. So yeah, I don't really, hold on, man. This is the last one I did. I did a Simpsons, Homer Simpson, uh, Air Force One with the donut theme on the back. And here, I felt like a 80s baby for real, and I did a Stay Puft Marshmallow theme type Air Force One. Pretty basic, but clean as hell at the same time. If you know the Marshmallow Man look like, then you already know. We got the vibes right there. So for those who asking, why would I ruin a pair of sneakers like that? I want my own flair, bro. I don't care what everybody else thinks about my sneakers because number one, I paid for them and they're on my foot. There you go. But sometimes I get those reactions where I actually feel like damn, people really do still rock with creativity because sometimes people be like, dang, where'd you get those? Or, I get those looks like, oh, okay. So it don't move me either way, but I felt like for me, I needed to do this. Why? Number one, because it's therapeutic. Number two, creativity in me yeah, I can't. The only two pair of white shoes that I still have that are all white are some Vapor Maxes and some Air Maxes. Because I had a pair of all white Jordan 1 lows, but of course I put some paint on those too. So it is what it is, man. Let me know down in the comment section, bro, what y'all think of these. Did I just ruin this shoe? Or is it something that, somebody could take this idea and move it along to somebody else and do it way better than what I did? Because I'm no artist at all. But my brain screams creativity, right? It does. But that's like people who love to sing, but can't really sing. You know what I mean? And they don't care. They just sing. I'm like that with painting sneakers. I'm okay because I freehand it, bro. I'm not using no airbrush. I'm not using any of that. I'm freehanding this. So, hey, I ain't too my own horn, but come on now. But that's all I got for you today, man. I just wanted to hit you guys with this and solicit your opinions because if you're watching this, you are part of the set crew and I do value your opinion. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Did I ruin this shoe or is this something that you would rock just because you like being different and you like the creativity that Nike seems to be lacking sometimes when it comes to sneakers? Let me know, man. If you haven't done so already though, like and subscribe to the channel so you can catch up with your boy on the latest in whatever we got going on here on the set. Because we can just do everything, right? Yeah. I don't know. Let me go do something important with my life, bro. I'm out, y'all. Peace.